Welcome to my channel. In this video, you'll discover why about 99% of people got this simple algebraic expression wrong because of common mistake, and you will also learn the correct way to simplify this expression using PEMDAS rule. Now, many students consider this. Now, this expression becomes 6 to the power of 2 plus into 3 times 3, that gives us 9, and you have 90 divided by 9, then divided by 2 to the power of 2. And next they consider this 6 to the power of 2, that gives 36, plus in the parentheses they still have 90 divided by 9, that gives 10, and lastly, they consider this exponent here 2 to the power of 2, that gives 4. Now, at this point, they consider this 36 plus 10, that gives 46. 36 plus that gives 46 divided by 4, and here this can also be expressed as 46 all over 4, and you reduce this to raise to the lowest term. We have here 2 here, 2, and 2 here. We have 26, 23, and the expression becomes 23 all over 2. And if we take this to mixed fraction, we have here 11 and 1 over 2, or to decimal, we have 11.5. But this answer is wrong. Therefore, this first approach here is completely wrong. Do not make this mistake. Now, to simplify this correctly, we are going to have this 6 to the power of 2 plus into 90 divided by 3 multiplied by 3, then divided by 2 to the power of 2. First, we are going to use this other operation called PEMDAS. Now, following this PEMDAS rule, first we are going to consider parentheses here in this expression. We have parentheses. We need to first of all simplify this term inside the parentheses first. And inside these parentheses, we have division and multiplication. And right here, multiplication and division have the same precedence. Then as such, and the operation here is from left to the right. Then as such, we are going to first of all consider division here before multiplication. Division is of higher priority than multiplication here. Then we have the 6 to the power of 2 plus inside the parentheses we have 90 divided by 3, that gives us 30. Then multiply by 3 divided by 2 to the power of 2. And again, still inside the parentheses, we are going to consider this multiplication, and the expression becomes 6 to the power of 2 plus here 30 times 3, that will give us 90, then divided by 2 to the power of 2. And next now, we are going to consider exponents. Now, so we are going to simplify this, and the expression becomes 6 to the power of 2, that gives us 36, then plus 90 divided by here 2 to the power of 2, that gives us 4. And next, we are going to consider division here, because division is of higher priority than the addition. And right here, I'm going to apply KCF here. Here K mean keep, C mean change, and F mean flip. This simply implies I'm going to keep this first value, which is 90, and change it into multiplication and flip 4. Therefore, we are going to have here 36 plus 90 multiply by 1 over 4. And if you simplify this out, you are going to have 36 plus 90 all over 4. And I'm going to reduce this fraction, this lowest term. Now, if I do that, I'm going to have a 2, go here, 2, then 2 into 90, that gives us 45. And the expression become going to have here 36 plus 45 all over 2. And here, this is a fraction. We're going to add a fraction to whole number. Here is 1 all over 1. Now I'm going to multiply 2 by 36, and that will give 72 plus 45 all over 2. Now adding the numerator, this will give us 72 plus 45, that will give 117 all over 2. Then right now, this is improper fraction. We're going to take this to mixed fraction, and this will give us 58 and 1 over 2, or take this to mixed fraction to decimal, and this will give us 58.5. And this is the correct answer to this given expression right here. Now, going to consider the next example on this. For instance, if you have 3 to the power of 2 plus into 8 minus 1 multiplied by into 5 minus 3. Now, since following this order of operation, PEMDAS, we have here. Now, see following this order of operation, first we are going to consider parentheses. We have exponents. We have multiplication. We don't have division. We have addition. We have subtraction in the parentheses. Now, first, we are going to consider parentheses. We are going to simplify these terms inside the parentheses here, and the expression becomes 3 to the power of 2 plus 8 minus 1, that gives us 7, multiplied by 5 minus 3, that gives us 2. And next, we are going to consider exponents. We're going to consider this. If you simplify this, 3 to the power of 2, that gives us 9, plus 7, multiplied by 2. And next, we are going to consider multiplication, because multiplication is higher priority than addition. And we have here 9 plus 7 times 2, that gives us 14. And lastly, we consider addition. 9 plus 14, that gives us 23. And this is the correct answer to this given expression right here. Now, I would like us to consider the next example still on this. For instance, if we have 9 minus 45 divided by 3 to the power of 2 into 3 plus 2, here, what are you going to have? Still following this order of operation called PEMDAS. First, note, we are going to first of all consider the parentheses here. We are going to simplify these terms inside the parentheses, and the expression we are going to have here 9 minus 45 divided by 3 to the power of 2, then multiply by 3 plus 2, that gives us 5. And next, still following this PEMDAS rule, we are going to consider exponents, and the expression becomes 9 minus 45 divided by 3 to the power of 2, that gives us 9, then multiply by 5. Now, still from the same order of operation, we are going to consider division, because division is of higher priority than multiplication right here. And we have 9 minus 45 divided by 9, that gives us 5. then multiply by 5. Then next, we are going to consider multiplication, because multiplication is higher priority than subtraction, and we are going to have 9 minus 5 times 5, that gives us 25. And lastly, we are going to consider subtraction. Then we have 9 minus 25, that will give us minus 16. And this is the correct answer to this given expression right here. Now, let us consider the last example on this. If we have 5 to the power of 2 plus 7 multiplied by into 9 divided by 3 multiplied by 2. What are you going to have here? Still following the PEMDAS rule, first, we need to consider the parentheses. And note, inside parentheses, we have division, we have multiplication, and we need to simplify this. Now the expression becomes 5 to the power of 2 plus 7 multiplied by into here. Consider division first. 9 divided by 3, that give us 3, when multiplied by 2. And right here, we still simplify this. We are going to have here 5 to the power of 2 multiply plus 7 multiplied by 3 plus 3 multiplied by 2, that gives us 6. And next, we are going to consider exponents here. We simplify this. 5 to the power of 2, that gives us 25 plus 7 multiplied by 6. And next, we are going to consider multiplication, because multiplication is higher priority than addition. We have here 25 plus 7 times 6, that will give us 42. And lastly, we are going to consider addition. We have 25 plus 42, that will give us 67. And this is the correct answer to this given expression right here. Do not forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel for more interesting videos. See you in the next video.